Wait! Samsung has launched an amazing budget-friendly phone that gives you a lot of features at an affordable price. This phone is the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G. I'm super excited about this phone. This device is going to give tough competition to many smartphones in the market. Let's move forward and see what this phone has to offer. Watch the video till the end so you can understand everything properly. So, let's get started. Samsung has focused on premium looks with the Galaxy M16 5G. It comes with a sleek and stylish design that looks like a high-end smartphone. The phone features a polycarbonate back with a glossy finish, making it lightweight yet durable. It is available in 3 color options: pink, green, and black, giving users a variety of choices. This phone comes with a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, offering bright and vibrant colors. The 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling super smooth, and the water drop notch ensures a more immersive viewing experience. Eye Care Shield is also included, which reduces eye strain for long hours of use. If you love photography, the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G won't disappoint. It features a triple camera setup on the back, a 50MP main camera that captures sharp and detailed photos, a 5MP ultrawide camera for capturing wide landscape shots, and a 2MP macro sensor for close-up shots. On the front, there is a 13MP selfie camera, which provides good skin tone balance and natural colors. The portrait mode delivers great edge detection, and you can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Powering the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, a powerful 6nm chipset that ensures smooth performance. With RAM options of 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB and 128GB internal storage, multitasking and gaming are seamless. The Antutu score of 467K proves that this phone delivers great performance in its price range. For gaming lovers, this phone can handle casual and competitive gaming easily. The graphics remain stable at 40 FPS, and there are no major lags or heating issues. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting performance throughout the day. It supports 25W fast charging, which ensures quick recharges whenever needed. Even though the battery is slightly smaller than its predecessor, Samsung has made the phone thinner and more premium looking. Samsung is offering 6 years of software updates, including security patches and OS updates till 2030. This is a huge advantage over other budget phones, making the Galaxy M16 5G a future-proof device. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for fast unlocking, a hybrid SIM slot, dual SIM or SIM plus microSD card, a USB Type-C port for modern connectivity, and a single bottom-firing speaker with decent sound quality. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with great features, the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is an excellent choice. It offers a premium design, a smooth AMOLED display, powerful performance, and long-term software support, all at an affordable price. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest smartphone features. See you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.